No wonder it was so cheap. Alright. So what I'm thinking of doing is basically put my desk right around here so I'm close to the window. I'm thinking of putting my TV around there. Right there. Right there. And then put the couch somewhere in the middle if I decide to get a couch. I still have not made up my mind about that, but if I do get a couch, I'll go right there in the middle. If I don't get a couch, well, the kitchen is not that big, but I think we'll manage. I don't use a dishwasher, so I don't even need it. So I wish there was like more cabinet space, but that's fine. I guess I'll just have to use the dishwasher. And then the bed will go right here, so I don't have to see it right when I walk in. That was my main concern about living in a studio, is that when you walk in, you can see the bed immediately, and I don't want that, so I'm glad that I'll be able to hide it back there. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna buy some room dividers to really hide it, but for now, it's gonna go right in this area. Also thinking of getting a little entryway storage cabinet and just put it there. so that it's not empty. I don't know why they have so much extra space that's not being used. It's just walking. Why would I be paying for the space just walking? That's whoever designed this space really sucks. Anyways, if I decide to get a mirror, I'll just put it there, but I haven't decided yet. The one thing that I'm really sad about is the view. Depending on where you're standing, you're literally staring right at the wall, at that wall, which is fine. There's like a view when if you change positions, you can see more, but there is no privacy because those people over there can see right into the apartment. Ew. I mean, I can see into the apartment too, but and the view in the unit that I'm currently in is so good. I'm gonna be so sad I won't be able to see the ocean in the morning anymore. But anyways, this is bigger. It feels so much bigger. It's so much better. I can live without seeing the sunset rising over the ocean every morning. It's fine. But yeah, this is my new place, and I am so excited to put it together. I'm missing a ring. Where did it go? Right? We said 1, 2. I am missing a ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's supposed to be 12. Where's the 12th one? It was new. Nothing was missing. So I'm going to tell you how. Where's the other one? I'm not buying an extra ring just for one hole. Just gonna keep it. No.